never got me back the
What?
Yo, what it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Don. I'm back again, man. I'm about to prank my wife again. She still ain't get me back for the last time, man. I've been sitting here, I'm ready. We supposed to be going out, and she keep like doing all this stuff, getting ready and stuff. So I'm like, babe, come on, hurry up. What else she got to do? She got to blow dry her hair, and she went upstairs to get the kids ready. So I'm thinking, okay, she's upstairs now. I'm like, you know what? Come here. I'm gonna fill this thing up with some powder. Since she got me waiting, let me find the powder. She got me waiting all day so we could go out. And I'm gonna fill the powder up, fill her dryer up with the powder. So as she started blow drying her hair, it's gonna be everywhere. And that's when I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna be laughing and stuff. Cause she's taking forever, man. So she still ain't getting me back for the dead boyfriend prank, so I'm already one up on her. I'm gonna be two up on her, man. Y'all spam the comments, like Team Dawn, alright? But this is how we're gonna do it. Let me set this up over here. And I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna have the camera at. I gotta hurry up and do this quick, cause I don't want her to catch me in the act, you feel me? So, get some paper towel. I gotta be quick. Yeah, all this, man. She gonna film my rap today. So let's get this in here nice and neat. Ooh. Would you look at that? Keep going? Yeah. I'm gonna keep going and going. She'll probably be down here in like 5 minutes. Should I keep going? Keep going. She might be upset, man. But I'm kind of pissed because I've been waiting and waiting for, oh shoot. Oh, I think that's good. One more for good measure. It's already cloudy in the bathroom. Alright, let me do a quick cleanup. Gotta hurry up. I don't know how soon she's gonna be back. I'm thinking like 5 minutes. She just went up there to get the kids ready, but this is what happens, man. I mean, you have your husband just waiting on you, waiting and waiting. I'm already ready. And you just trying to get dolled up and pretty. Like she got all this stuff laying around, like, really? I don't know what this stuff is. So, got this all cleaned up. Alright, I'm gonna take care of that. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna have the camera at. I'm gonna have the camera hidden over here so y'all can see the good view. Y'all gonna see all that, man. So yeah, about to check out right now. Wait for her to come down. I'm gonna come in here with her, spend some time with her while she getting ready. And I wanna see it live too, man. Live, man. All right, peace.
2,000 years later.
know. I'm making her to the room.
Hey, just hurry up, please.
You always rushing me. You're not even done.
I want to go see that movie. What's that movie name? The guy with the where he kidnapped the girls. Split. You want to see that too? We can take the kids to our house. What all you gotta do, babe? Alright, well, can we hurry up? Let's go. Your hair looks fine, babe. Come on.
It's wet.
Okay. Come on. Let's go.
Hold on.
Oh, how can do your hair so we can go?
Oh, shoot.
You come, babe. You got it.
I didn't know it was upside down like that.
What does that do?
It just like makes the curls pop.
Pop?
Yeah.
Man, I'm gonna get something to eat before we go to.
What?
I'm thinking like wings. I want some wings. What you think?
I don't know. I'm not really hungry.
Well, let's just try to take the kids to your aunt's house so we can watch the movie.
Do you want to go to that fair thing?
No, I want to go to the movies.
I know, I'm saying after we could take the kids to the fair thing. What should I wear?
Wait, you already... I thought you had everything set.
Why you always rushing me?
Because I've been waiting 20, 30
I'm
minutes.
done.
What else you gotta do? What happened?
My hair is so wet. I know. I'm too cold.
Your hair is wet.
Never will I cheat on you. Never will I keep it greasy. Blowing a bag on you. Do all of that for no reason. I'ma pull up in Mer 2. Hitting the block and I'm bleeding.
Shit, you are, bro.
No, I just gotta go dry my hair. Why would you do that?
Look behind you. That's a camera. Let the camera
Why would
see
you do that? Why would you do that? I can't even see.
Why you took so long to get ready?
Why would you do that?
Look at the camera, man. I got a print. And you never got me back the
Why
time.
would you do that? That's not even funny.
Can you see the
Oh
camera?
my God, I can't even see.
This is funny.
God. Why would you do that? It's not funny.
I'm sorry, man. But look, you
I'm
had
not even
me.
going. Why would you do that? Play too much.
You had me waiting all morning, babe. For real? You really get mad at me when I've been waiting all morning?
Oh my gosh, why would you do that to me?
Man, you got a lot to clean up.
I'm not cleaning this up.
Well, Soraya can clean it up. Look at the camera. Let the camera see you. Y'all give us a thumbs up,
Oh
man.
my
10
God,
thumbs.
why would you do that?
I got her again, man. I'm 2 up on her, man. 2 up. Babe, look at the camera. Let the camera see you. Sore loser, man. I'm out.
So